Hello, are you using Alipay for your business or personal transactions? If yes, then you must watch this video. In today's video, I will show you the biggest mistakes people make on Alipay and how you can avoid losing your money, getting scammed, or getting your account frozen. Let's dive right in. One of the most common mistakes new users make is not verifying their Alipay account. Without verification, your account has limits. You can't send or receive large payments, and you risk sudden restrictions. Always link your real ID, passport, or bank card. It builds trust with Alipay and helps recover your account if you ever face issues. Nonetheless, never use someone else's Alipay account or buy access to one online. It might seem like a shortcut, but it's against Alipay's terms. Your fund can get locked permanently and you will have no way to recover them. Always create and use your own verified account. Another big mistake, linking a bank card that doesn't match your Alipay name. Alipay systems checks names consistency for security reasons. If names don't match, payment might fail or funds can bounce back. Always double check your details before linking your card. Let me quickly break this down. There are numerous of people that the Alipay account that they have created, the passport that they have used to verify their Alipay account, that name does not match with their bank card as to whether their MasterCard or their Visa card. The name bearing on the card doesn't tally with that of the passport name that they have used to verify their account. So this is exactly one of the biggest mistakes people make on Alipay. If you are sending or receiving money internationally, be careful with exchange rates and conversion fees. Many users ignore this and end up paying a lot on hidden charges. Always check Alipay's rates before confirming any cross-border payment. Or use Alipay's currency converter to calculate exactly what you will get. Scammers love to imitate Alipay. They send fake links or messages asking you to verify your account. Never click suspicious links or share your verification code. Alipay will never ask for your passport or verification code outside the official app. Your Alipay holds sensitive data. Don't ignore your security settings. Turn on two-step verification, face or fingerprint ID, transaction alert. A few minutes to set up can save you from major losses later. Number 7 on my list is sending money without double-checking details. Unlike banks, once you send money on Alipay, it's almost impossible to reverse. So, always confirm the recipient's name, phone number, or email before you tap send. One wrong digit could send your money to a stranger. Number 8, not keeping transaction records. Many users forget to download their payment receipts or transaction records until a problem comes up. Always keep a screenshot or PDF of major transactions. It helps resolve disputes faster. So there you have it, the most common Alipay mistakes to avoid. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more money and tech tips right here on Money Smile GH. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest Alipay challenge right now? Once again, I'm the person of Isaac Jimado, the founder and CEO of Money Smile GH. Check in the description of this very video right here on YouTube for my the Money Smile GH WhatsApp channel link. It's right here on this very description on YouTube. So when you see, just click on the link and follow me on my WhatsApp channel. In my WhatsApp channel, I share suppliers contacts. I share contacts to legit suppliers, links to top quality products that's they have high profit margins. Sometimes too, the people following me on my WhatsApp channel, I organize free training with them and I guide them on the nitty-gritty without any steps skipped on how they can make substantive funds or profit as far as importation business is concerned. See you in my next video.